It can be challenging to find the right yoga mat, as there are all kinds of yoga mat brands to choose from, such as Balance from, Game Essentials, Game, Wakeman, Cambivo. No worries, we've got you covered. We put together the top 10 best yoga mats for you. There are many products to choose from in yoga mats, each with different features, benefits, and prices, to help you make a good decision. I have done extensive research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best yoga mats big name brands. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my details. So let's jump to the video without delay. Number 1. Amazon Basics Extra Thick Exercise Yoga Gym Floor Mat. Ideal for yoga, pilates, and floor exercises, the textured surface provides reliable traction for movement and poses. Multiple colors are available. The cushy 1/2-inch thick mat offers added comfort and padding support to the body, and enables exercise on wood floors and hard surfaces. Made from sturdy foam that's both lightweight and strong, the yoga and exercise mat provides reliable performance and stands up to daily workouts. To carry or store, simply roll up the mat and attach the elastic strap for easy on-the-go carrying to yoga class and compact home gym storage. Textured foam construction provides traction and stability. Extra thick mat for yoga, gym, and everyday exercise. Please check the mat will not slip on the floor before using. L dimensions: 74x24x.5 inches. A 1/2-inch thick mat provides extra support, shock absorption.
Hi, it's Taya from WTI, and ever since our living room has doubled as a gym, we got these Amazon Basics yoga mats, and they are very good overall exercise mats for any kind of need. So if you need to do lunges on them, doing aerobics, you're just training your abs, you want to relax and have something softer to lay on the top of your hard floor or carpet. So these work on both carpet and hard floor. For me, it gives enough support and they are thick enough. And it's also very good because it comes with this strap that you can store it nicely and neatly. It doesn't take much space, and it's very long. So I'm sitting on a red one, and I here have this blue one. And it's also good when you're doing exercises and if you need some extra support. So because it's long, so you can do also this and just have that extra support. For example, if your wrist cannot take all the weight. I have been very pleased with these exercise mats. They are a very good deal. I like them a lot. They go in a small space, and that is my point of view.
Number 2. Game Essentials Premium Yoga Mat. Sticky non-slip texture. Yoga mat is featured in classic colors, with a textured non-slip surface for excellent traction and superior grip in all types of yoga, even heated practices and hot yoga. Classic yoga mat. These durable, yet lightweight exercise yoga mats are extra thick, 1/4 inch, for the additional cushioning your joints need during any yoga or fitness routine. Sport type. Gymnastics. Non-toxic and 6P free PVC yoga mat is a healthier choice for you and the planet, and free of DHP, DBP, BBP, DINP, DIDP, and DNOP. For best results, unroll and air out your mat for 2 to 3 days before use. Includes yoga mat carriers. Number 3. Balance from BFGYAP6BLK Go Yoga All-Purpose Anti-Tear Exercise Yoga Mat. With double-sided non-slip surfaces, Balance from All-Purpose Premium Exercise Yoga Mat comes with an excellent slip-resistant advantage to preventing injuries. 71 long 24 white ensures comfort for people of all shapes and sizes. With high-density foam material, the half-thick premium mat is comfortable with cushioned spines, hips, knees, and elbows on hard floors. Included components: Balance from Yoga Exercise Yoga Mat Strap. Exceptional resilience allow you to keep you balanced during any exercise style. Number 4. HelloFit Yoga Mats, Bulk 10-pack. Safe, made without phthalates, latex, or heavy metals to keep yoga worry-free. Safe activity for your body, mind, and spirit. Affordable quality designed for yoga enthusiasts on a budget, those opening their own studios or classes. This bundle includes 10 individually wrapped mats. Versatile, ideal for exercise at the gym, indoor and outdoor classrooms, group activities, and family fitness. Mats measure 68 by 24 inches and are 1/8 inch thick non-slip texture. These yoga mats' firm surface is lightly textured to provide improved traction so you can maintain stability as you change poses. Easy to clean, made with closed cell foam. These yoga mats stay dry and maintain grip. Wipe down with a 50-50 mixture of water and vinegar to clean and air dry. Number 5. Retrospect Solana Yoga Mat, a half thick with nylon strap. Non-slip surface. Solana's non-slip material keeps you steady and balanced while staying securely on the floor, preventing injury and allowing you to focus on your practice or workout. Extra thick for comfort and balance. Solana Firm 1/2 inch extra thick fitness mat with mat strap alleviates stress on pressure points such as joints, hips, hands, and knees. 72x24x 1/2. Easy to clean. Solana is easy to keep clean and fresh for your next workout. Use a mix of gentle soap and water, wipe clean, and hang it to dry. Do not submerge. Durability. Solana's thick durable material allows for everyday use, regardless of the intensity of your exercise. Ideal for your home or studio practice. BPA free. Our products are free of phthalate. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the price of the product, please see my description. For any problem, please comment below. Stay up to date with our great products, it makes your life so much easier.